Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
You can lift up Spooky now!
Okay!
Will you turn that disrespect? Who are they?
Copy that, Jefe!
Serving beautiful V6 Valley since 19...
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive! Mac, you're here! I can't believe... I'm gonna make you scream! Ah! Oh.
On your mark, get set. Uno for the money, due for the show.
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get her done!
What are you doing here, son? You're gonna miss your race. Don't worry. I'll give you a police escort and we'll make up the time.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing School!
Is that what you think?
Come on.
You broke the road! You read about the car! Yes.
Officer, talk to me, babe.
Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Oh, him? This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you.
The only one seeing this, right?
Incoming!
Whoa, no.
The car and has the tormentor in his signature dreadlock!
Me be jamming now, man.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Bellissima! Thank you for your support and your big mistake, McQueen.
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded to radio contact?
Somebody cut off.
Rocket jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons.
It's just like being on a real track, so put your hours in. Okay, let's hit the treadmills.
No, you are not winning this.
Ah, you're angry.
I am not angry.
You know.
Is right here.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very.
You can drive as good as you can fix a road, then you can win this race with your eyes shut.
XDL. Etc.
Jackson Storm wishes.
We're gonna be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
Momento. Esos no son faros.
¡Son tubos de escape!
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Hicks con el corredor que ha creado todo un revuelo. Jackson Storm, otro gran triunfo contra...
Like that, folks. Francesco's lead is left in the dust.
Nice call, Peter.